Hello guys, how are you? This is Ms. Farah, your Chinese teacher, and how to say Chinese, 汉语. And funny thing, today is our class about 汉语. Today is class number 14th for grade number 4. So let's go back to what we took before. How to say hello, 你好. Initials, b, p, m, f, d, t, n, l, g, k, h. S, c, z, sh, ch, sh, zh, shi, qi, ji, r, w, ye. A, o, i, u, ü. We're talking here about the finals. Tones, a, and the zero tone is a. We said that you change the tone, you're changing the what? The meaning. Sorry. Rule. Our rule is saying if you have a third tone with a third tone, you change it to become second tone with third tone. Only on pronunciation. We started with di ke, which is ni hao, our first class, or our first lesson about conversation. We took ni hao, ni hao. Ni hao ma, wo hen hao, ni na, wo ye hen hao. Then the arc, which is how to say thank you in Chinese, 谢谢不客气 or 谢谢您不客气. Then we took the sank, which is lesson number 3, how to ask about someone if he's busy or she's busy. So ni mang ma, or for respectful one, nin mang ma, and there's the answer of 我很忙, I'm very busy. 我不忙, I'm not busy. And we took the class that we have rules here about the g sound, that it must comes out from your nose. Ang, ing, ong. And we said the rule about the third tone. If you have third tone, after it you have the second tone or the first tone or the fourth tone, it must come out half tone. So it's going to be chen, not chen. No, it's going to be chenan, chenan, chenan. So it's going to be a fast one. So now going to the ke. We said di means number, ke means class. So se here means 4. So class number 4 or lesson number 4 about conversations, we're going to talk about 汉语, which means what we took it every single class, which is it's not clear enough, so I'm going to write it using my pen. Chinese. So how to say Chinese? 汉语. And focus guys, we have fourth tone, then we have third tone. 汉语, 汉语. Okay? 汉语. So let's start. Someone, A and B, are having a conversation. A is asking B about Chinese. Is Chinese hard? So here we're going to take the word hard also, or difficult. So he's going to ask him. A is going to say, 汉语. So we were talking 汉语, 汉语. He's going to tell him this new word, which is nan, nan, nan. And for the long question, every time ma at the end with a question mark. So here A is asking B. So here we're having B later. Hello B. So you have to wait here. So A is asking B something. He's saying 汉语难吗? 汉语难吗? And here, because we have the third tone, and after the third tone we have the second tone, so it's gonna be what? Half third tone with second tone. So 汉语难吗？汉语难吗？ So here the first word that we're taking, which is 汉语 okay? And here, guys, I want you to know something, that I'm gonna write it here for you in one place, that Han and you are actually two different words. Okay, so sorry guys for what happened. So now we're gonna continue the class. We were talking about Hanyu. So Han, as we said, it means Chinese. Okay, but Yu, it means language. Okay, sorry. So together, if we combine them together to have the single word Hanyu, which we will have, it's gonna be what? Let me make it like this. So it will be what? Chinese language. Okay, so Chinese language or Chinese means Hanyu. So this is the first word for us today. So Hanyu, repeat after me. Hanyu. So this is the first word for today. Hanyu. Now he's continue asking him Nan, which is number 2. So we're gonna take today another word, which is Nan, which means what? Oh, sorry, I should draw the meaning in blue. So Nan, which means hard, or do we have another word which is difficult? So hard or difficult. Nan, hard or difficult. Nan, and we have ma, guys, it's the question that comes at the end, the long question. So here he is asking him, imagine again that you're having an is here, because in Chinese we do not have it. So imagine that you're having a little is. So is Chinese or Chinese language, hard, with a question mark? So here B is gonna answer with 2 answers. It's very hard or it's not hard. So he's gonna answer? He's gonna say Hanyu. So Hanyu, it's up to you to repeat it or not. It's like Wo. If you want to repeat it, that's okay. If you do not want to repeat it, also that's okay. So Hanyu. Here we have a new word, which is Tai. Nan. Or he's gonna answer with saying the second answer, which is Hanyu Bu Tai Nan, which is the second answer. Okay, so he's gonna say Hanyu Tai Nan or Hanyu Bu Tai Nan. Okay, Hanyu Tainan or Hanyu Bu Tainan. So we took what is the meaning of Hanyu. Hanyu means Chinese, and you can use it or not. You can use Chinese. You can say Hanyu Tainan, or you can just say Tainan without saying the Hanyu. Okay, Hanyu Bu Tainan, or you can remove the Hanyu Bu Tainan. So what is the meaning of Tai here? The new word for us, which is here, which is Tai. Tai, guys, means to or over. Okay, to or over. or extremely or excessively. We have another word or another meaning, which is excessively, which means extremely. Okay, so can you tie nan? What is the meaning of nan? Hard or difficult? I also forgot to write it in blue. Okay, can you tie nan? So can you is what? Too hard. Too hard. So he's saying that can you Chinese is very hard, is so hard. Here, guys, we did not use khan because we cannot use it to describe something like this, like describing the language. We cannot say khan you, khannan. No, khan is not for describing languages. It's for describing things. So like are you busy? Like verbs. You can describe the verbs with khan. Are you busy? I'm very busy. But here, tai, which is too or extremely or over hard, it comes with the noun, with like languages. So can you tai nan? Can you is too hard. Okay? Or Chinese is too hard. Here we took before can you, which means Chinese language. Bu, we took it before with bu kochi. Bu mang. So bu means no or not. Okay? Tai. Tai, we took it here. I'm not over, or it's not over, or it's not too. And nan, we took it also, which means hard. So here he's saying that Chinese is not hard, but here he's saying Chinese is hard, very hard. And here is the question. So these are the words for today and the meanings for today, and this is the conversation for today. So again, let's repeat. A is asking, 汉语难吗? 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 So repeat after me. 汉语难吗 is Chinese hard. 汉语难吗? So B will answer with two answers. The first one, it will be yes, it's very hard. So it's going to be 汉语太难 or 太难. Or he's going to say with negative answer. So 汉语不太难 or 不太难 without 汉语. So we have the positive, the negative one, and we used bu. Here, why did we use tai, not khan? Because we're describing a word here that it's a noun, khanyu. So, khanyu nan ma, khanyu tai nan, khanyu bu tai nan. So, what do you think? Is Chinese hard? Khanyu nan ma? It's up to you to answer. The meanings for today, khanyu, which means language. So, whenever you will see you have to know that it's a what? That we're talking about a language, so khanyu. And nan, it means hard or difficult. Tai means too over or excessively, which means for nouns. So khanyu nan ma, khanyu tai nan, khanyu bu tai nan. That's it for today, guys. 谢谢, bye bye.